Guys, last time we solved this question. Let's continue. The price of a television was reduced from $250 to $200. By what percentage was the price of the television reduced? This is percent increase and decrease question. We gotta consider two things: original price, new price, and we gotta consider their difference. Original price minus new price. Actually, it should be in the absolute value. I believe the previous video I didn't put like this, but it should be in the decimal like this, or the original price times 100, and then our answer will stand as percentile. So let's place them in. Original price was 250 and new price is 200. Let's do the calculation according to this formula. 250 minus 200 over 250 times 100. I'm going to put over 1. It won't change the result, but I would like to keep all the numbers in the same form. The difference at the top is 50. 50 goes into 250 5 times. I'm going to show it here. 50 goes into 250 5 times. 100 over 1. We got to do the multiplication of fraction. We can simplify by crossway, and we are going to have 5 goes into 100 20 times, and our answer is going to be 20%. So which is F. Next one. Amanda increased the amount of the protein she eats every day from 48 to 54. So original amount as the same as the previous one. Original amount was 48. The new amount is 54. So basically we gotta take the difference and see how many percentile change. This time it's going to increase. So that's why the formula keeps in the absolute value sign, because we don't show the percentile as negative. So original amount minus new amount over original amount times 100. So let's place them in the formula. 48 minus 54 over 48 times 100 over 1. So let's calculate it. 48 minus 54, basically what you consider the big number at the top, my small number at the bottom, like it is. 54 minus 48 will give you 6. Since it's in the absolute value sign, we're going to carry as positive number, no matter 54 has a negative sign. So bottom part is same, 48, and we got to multiply 100 over 1. As simple as we got to think about it. 6 goes into 48 8 times, and we got to end up with 100 over 8. So when we consider here, if it's even 10, we got to have something close to 10, right? So these answers should not be our consideration. Let's try it out. Which one is closest to 10? This one, right? But let's this one and this one, sorry. Let's calculate and get the result to make sure. So 8 goes into 10 1 times, right? Sorry, the first time I said if we consider is 10, it's going to be 10, but our actual answer is 8. We bring up the divisor, and it's bring us less value. Our answer is supposed to be greater than 10. So we have two options. 8 goes into 10 1 times, 2 left. We need to bring down 0 because 8 cannot goes into 2. So 8 goes into 20 2 times, and it's going to be 16. I have only one option, start with 12. I don't have to do rest. So D as in dog is going to be our answer. Next one, Claudio is making a gelatin dessert for a party. She plans on making 12 servings for every 5 people. Remember the formula I said before, the same word, the same line, and first two pair of number needs to stand as a ratio. So 12 serving size for 5 people. If each pan Claudia was used to make a dessert holds 8 serving, what is the minimum number of the pans that she needs to in order to make enough to feed 10 people? This is a little bit tricky because it's giving you pan cover up how many serving size. You should not consider this part. We gotta consider as last. We wonder 10 people needs how many serving size. So basically 5 goes into 10 2 times. So whatever we do at the bottom, we have to do at the top. So it's going to be 24. What we need? We need total of 24 serving size. And we know each pan take 8 serving size. So how many times we need to use? 8 goes into 24. How many times? Will be 3 is our answer. Once again, we use the acronym I said before, the same word, the same line, and we create a ratio with the given first pair of number. And the third part, little bit tricky because it's not part of solution as first time. It's the last part of the solution. It's asking for 10 people needs how many serving size, which is 24, and telling us each pan cover up 8 serving size. So how many times we need to use the pan? So it's going to be 8 goes into 24, which is 3 times. Let's continue one more question here. There are 176 slices of bread, 8 loaves. If there are the same number of slices in each loaf, how many slices of bread are in loaves? So the same word, the same line as acronym, we need to take care. And first two numbers we gotta create as ratio, as a pair with pair. So 176 slice, 8 loaves. Here I'm gonna put L or put up like this. So we wonder 5 loaves takes how many slices, right? So what we gotta do? We gotta do cross multiply, or we can have a unit rate. Each loaves cover up how many slices. Let's do that here. 176 over 8 x over 5. So 8 goes into 176. 8 goes into 17 2 times. 1 left. 8 goes into 16 2 times. Let me show here as well. What we did was 8 goes into 17 2 times, which is 16. 1 left. We bring down 6. 8 goes into 16 2 times. We get 22. And this is 1. Let me place here 22 slice for 1 loaf. So we wonder for 5, right? We wonder for 5 loaves will give us how many slice. So basically 1 goes into 5 times. Whatever we do at the bottom, we have to do at the top. 22 times 5 will give us what? It's going to be our answer, which is 22 times 5, 110 should be our answer. So F as in Frank will be our answer. That's all for today. Thank you for watching.